Hello and welcome to this session. This session is very basic. It is related with the creation of data frames and adding rows or columns into the data frame, calculate some simple calculations, and assigning and modifying data, adding or deleting columns and rows. So let's start in the ideally. Import pandas as pt, press enter, and copy some data like this. Copy and paste the data here. Press enter. Now df1 is equal to pt dot data frame and data 1, and you can print it df1. So this is basically our simple data, and what we want to do now here is the selecting, or we want to use LOC and iloc. So let us see how LOC and iloc is working. Let's suppose I want to retrieve LOC here referring with the labels. The labels are here quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the labels. And if we take iloc, then it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the indexes in case of iloc. And these are our columns 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so let's see how to use LOC. If we write df1 dot LOC, and in the bracket if I write qtr1 in the inverted comma, because this is our row, and if I write here comma and colon, what does it mean? You just see this. df1 dot LOC quarter 1. So in the quarter 1, what are the values in the 16, 17, 18 and 19? You can see 16, 17, 18 and 19. Yeah, so here clear. Let some changes. If I write here qtr1 2018 colon 2019, now see, press enter, and you can see that it is printing 18 and 19 values for this particular quarter, that is quarter number 1. Suppose I want to add a new column here. What I will write here is df1 and the new column. Suppose 2019 is already there. If I want to add 2020, and then I write is equal to, and in the square bracket I have to mention 4 values for all for 4 quarters. So I am writing here, so 25,000 comma 21,000 comma 26,000 comma 36,000, and you see that 2020, a new column is created. Similarly, if you want to use iloc in place of LOC, how we will do? df1 dot iloc, and in the bracket we will mention indexes. Suppose I want to access 0, 0. Suppose I am writing 0, 0, and is equal to, suppose I am writing 1 lakh, 100, 1, 2, 3, 1 lakh. And if I print now, this value is here, this 1 lakh, this 1 lakh. What does it mean? The index row number 0 and column number. Do practice all these things, LOC and iloc.